Alright you guys, today we'll be unboxing the Pocket Tripod Pro. So without further ado, let's get into it. There you go. You get your card here with your referral link. The fit card. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, now we're opening it up. Alright, so here we go. Here are your different size adapters, and then how do you use it. And here's the pocket tripod. Here we go. Here's the unveiling. Okay, a bunch of do's and don'ts. So this is the instruction manual. And then the tripod is actually stuck to it. Wow, that's amazing, you guys. Look how small this thing is. And this is the tripod itself. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, so this is how it goes. You twist it, then you, which way you flip it? I guess either way, right? Yeah. And that's the Pocket Tripod Pro. Works on any smartphone. This is what it looks like in portrait orientation, and this is what it looks like in landscape orientation. And that's the end of the unboxing.